What I've been building has taken me way too stinking long. But it is finally finished, and here it is. A dartboard cabinet. This dartboard cabinet has some beautiful chalkboards to record all of your legendary scores upon. It also has 2 of them. Also, it has dart storage in the doors. How mind-blowing is that? And here's the best part. Let us get started. I'm going to size up this. This is going to be my backer board. I'm actually going to put the planks on top of this so that it's all stable and I can be sure that it's actually square and stuff. I'm thinking I'll go 2 inches on each side extra. See it better when I cut it on the tape saw. And then I'm thinking maybe 27 inches it is.
Just eyeballing it, huh?
Huh?
Just eyeballing it?
Yep, with a tape measure. Okay, so now I've got my backer board cut out. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to get some pretty cool looking like joints, you know, like kind of like a hardwood floor would look. So I'm thinking like I could do something like this. Now, what I have done is I have created both doors at the same time. I'm going to take my square right here and I'm going to check it. And it's really tough to see. There's a little tiny bit that's off. Right there. But make sure I get my top corner flush. Hold it down nice. Strike a line on it right there. Just how little of a difference this is, but it was enough to throw everything off kilter when I was trying to put these on. Take this, line it up like this, and now that you know which end is the short end and which is a tall end, Just came back from work, got some supplies and different things that I needed for the build. And I thought, you know what, that gray stain I put on earlier looked pretty weak. I wonder what's up with that. Maybe it needs a second coat. So I pulled this back out again, and I stirred it this time. And hey, howdy, hey, guess what? All the pigment was at the bottom. So I had shaken it before, but I didn't actually get a stick in there and stirred it. So well, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has taken me really long to get to this point. I've hit so many little bitty road bumps that I let it delay very long, and if you look at the beginning of the video, you can tell, like, I didn't have much of a beard to begin with. This is like the third beard I've grown since I originally filmed that. It's been like 8 or 9 months since I filmed the first segment. It's about time I made some videos. I've been wanting to do this since high school. And I made one video a long time ago, when I was like 16, but this is the one that I really think that I was really happy with when I uploaded it. So, I've still got a lot more kinks to work out. I had all kinds of audio problems in this one. The future is bright. Do not despise the day of small beginnings. I am very hopeful for this. Don't exactly know what to say to end this video. That was my whole video. I hope you liked it well. Hope one day that you'll come back, 'cause that would really be great.